you like? No.
So, share sa kanan.
Yes.
O natin mga kuha mga, as if we're having conference. O, diba? There's a lot of camera facing. O, nagpanin mo. Sige, tao si ganahan ka ni mo niya dahil.
Concern siya mo.
Wow. At least age very concerned.
Very young
Oh.
and
Pero so, in what way ka na mo concern niya siguro ate? Oh, papakaikaon, kaon na anin. At sa paman.
go fiddle
Sa ikaw, o sige. Thank you so much. Ikaw, Tio.
Lolo.
Kung sa may mong ganahan, kainin mo sa imong apo. Sige. Kung sa may ganahan, kainin mo.
Ay, kuha ba? Nagkukuha na ba ka? Ano? Ito tawag po. Ito ripay ko lang.
Alright.
Because of his, very smiling.
Yes. As the birthday star holding there explained,
Oh.
our young celebrant really had this brilliant smile that
Oh.
gives happiness to
Correct.
all the people around him.
May nakakahawa yung smile niya.
Yes, very nice thing to know.
Oh, okay. And as for you, kaya si Tia na po.
Ah.
Tia, sa may birthday, ay kani siya sa birthday message niyo para sa iyong
Say
mangkot.
happy birthday and give your birthday wish.
Oh, sa may gusto niyo i-wish, sa wish niyo, gusto niyo siyang
You want him to be what someday?
gusto siya mahimo, sama, gusto niyo siya na mahimo.
Or maybe the older people will give it in private na lang with the birthday celebrant. I wish
You wish that he will become what? He will become the President of the Philippines.
President of the United States.
Oo, gusto siya na yung presidente, my God. Okay, kaya pa niyo dong, JN? O, kaya. Oh, minsan, tanda-tanda ko, wala din how. Ayun, thank you. Say my what niya?
Kinis niya, para sa inyong kasayuran, concern ko siya na mutanan kay magsakay ka ng motor, ihang mga magulang siya, Pai, gunit pai, kit, gunit pai. Talagang ma, gunit ba, oy, ang ka. Wala nga, concern ko ni siya na mo. Wala nga love yung kayo, kulit pa yun.
Oh, that's the total package there, Kuya Larry. Kulit, love na love, lahat na. Yes.
The people, let's give a round of applause.
Everybody
Yay! Wow, you are blessed to have him.
Very loving family of yours. So this time, everybody, all the boys and girls are invited to join our
Party games! Wow! Everybody will play now for our prepared parlor game.
Yes. This time for the first game, we need 10 boys and 10 girls.
Pulong ka lalaki, pulong ka babae.
Everybody stand up now.
Please. Atin ka. Si Dave, si Mary Joy, si Dave, si Isa, Saiza. Abin ako i-erase na natin. Saiza. Alright. O as you notice, diba, we have lots. Do you have any